India is a young country. And if you're a young country, you should be happy when prices are going down because you're going to buy things cheaper. It's like your mother said when you go shopping, rupee ki cheez 98 mein khareedna. So agar apne 98 mein mile, it's better than buying it full price for that. So this correction gave you that opportunity to load up on the stock.
Picking the right kind of businesses. You pick PSU stocks, I think, ahead of most people in the market.
No, I was lucky on that. Would they continue to lead? Yes, I think they will continue to lead the bull market. So you look at the earnings profile of how the earnings profile has changed of these companies. That has really helped bring prosperity to the PSU index group. Where are we investing in the public sector space? Maybe in the construction companies, maybe in some of the other names that we're finding value out there. So that is one sector that we're looking at. I find suddenly and surprisingly for me, a lot of opportunity in the pharmaceutical sector. Because what I'm finding is that a lot of Indian companies are not doing the CDMO work or, the basic generic drug, which is also fine. But they're also building intellectual property, which I find astonishing that India has come that far that you're building actually patented medicines. And so we're investing in some of those companies. The intellectual property companies in pharma, for example, may be challenged by Trump's order.
That's what I was...
But I think they will overcome it. It's just the basis is so cheaper in India that you don't want to give medicines to America, which are already expensive, 3 times more expensive. It doesn't make any sense to me. So that's why they will have to change. The MAGA crowd will have to change ultimately out there. And then the third one, which I'm very bullish on over the next 5-10 years, is this public digital infrastructure space. Because I think the one thing India is teaching the world is the India stack. The digital infrastructure, whether it's payments, whether it's transaction, commerce. I mean, anyone who's gone to the airport in recent times know how cool Digi Yatra is. India is way ahead of other countries. And that product will not only be more intensified in India, it will also be exported. So I think there's enough pickings. The valuations are at your favor. It's almost like the wind is at your back. So if you are willing to invest over a long period of time, this is as good a time to get into it.